So here I have my Temu organizers. I got them for really cheap, like $5. And you can see the largest, medium, and smallest size. They should all kind of match the interior. So let me just put one of each in, one by one. See? And you can see this largest organizer has an interior pocket, and this is a large pocket. Yeah, and the rings are inside. I'm just going to clasp my chain onto the pouch here. And as you can see, it goes on really easily. It's better to take out the insert first, and then you clasp the chain. And I'm just sticking it right in, and here you have a pouch with a chain. Now you have a handbag with a shoulder strap. So I think it goes really well. This chain goes really well with this style of Kirigami. It looks like a regular size handbag. It is a decent size. It fits your phone, and you can wear it out for date nights. And you can tote it around like a shoulder bag or just like a top handle. Let me just zoom out and show you. Here's how it looks. And now I will take off the chain and show you what it looks like if I put on a vacata shoulder strap. I always recommend you to do the chain attachment with the inserts out of the pouches so you don't damage your bags accidentally, because sometimes it's very difficult to get it on. And I have this vacata shoulder strap from an online, what I got online. This is a 90 centimeter length. I think you can get similar ones on Amazon. And you can always buy, you can also buy them in treated vacata. I think Etsy also sells them. I think they comes in different, two different types. One is the treated and one is untreated. My toiletry on chain has the treated vacata on the side, and that's why I have the treated vacata shoulder strap. But I think any of the vacata would pair perfectly with the Louis Vuitton monogram because it is a classic. So let me just put that right in. You can see the sides on the flaps are a little bit sticking out because this insert is not 100% perfect, but I think it does the job. Now you can see we have a crossbody bag. This is a longer strap, and it is a more casual look if you put on a vacata shoulder strap. And you can use it as a crossbody bag. And you still have some more room for your stuff. And I'm just putting a couple of things in just to show you how I would normally carry it when I'm out on a day using it as a handbag. You do need to maneuver the flap a little bit since this bag is not designed to have an insert here, and the straps are sometimes sticking out, so you may want to be careful when you snap it. You can see it's getting a little bit full, but you just need to maneuver it a little bit. It looks great. So it's a very nice multifunctional piece. And now let's move on to the medium pochette. And here I'm just clasping the same chain that I had for the large kirigami. And you can see the size is significantly smaller for this one. It does not fit my largest iPhone. Maybe I'm not sure if it fits a mini iPhone. Maybe it will. I will have to try another day. But this would be like a card holder and money, wallets, chains. Money, wallets, keys, on the go type of little bag. It is more in the mini bag charm type of vibe. So if you want to carry it like a mini bag, like a card holder on chain, that would be how I use this for. So this is the medium pouch. It still looks great with this chain. It's like a shoulder style. It looks very elegant with this chain. And now I'm just removing the chain and attaching the vaquero strap like what I did with the large kirigami. With these cheaper organizers, I do think you need to play with it a little bit to get the right position. And I think it would look good with this size of kirigami to use as a belt bag. If you have a shorter strap and you can loop around a vaquero strap or a chain and use it as a belt bag, I think it would be really cool as well. And next is the card holder, and I don't really see the point of adding a chain to a card holder, but some people might want to do it if you maybe want to add like a keychain loop onto this card holder. I don't have a keychain loop right now. I'm just putting that metal chain on again. Again, this chain is from my toiletry on chain 26. And here you have a little tiny card holder on chain. It looks really cute, but I'm not sure what you're gonna use it for. So here is the small one and the large one. And I do think this set is worth it. You can see there's so many options to use this set with. Just getting some inserts. It wouldn't be, I think the most expensive inserts would be $50 if you get some higher quality ones. I didn't because I don't really use the inserts a lot. I usually use them as the pouches as they are. I do think the inserts take away the capacity of these pouches. That is why I try not to use them as with inserts and chains, and I try to use them as intended, which actually I like them more as pouches than handbags. That's what I would say as this set, but you can always have the option, and that's one great thing about this set. It's $700, maybe $800 with tax, but it is so versatile. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you in the mod shots.